The first 6 Agile principles, documented on the Agile Manifesto website, address communication and interaction. Specifically, how to manage the relationship between the customer and the team, and within the team itself. The customer-focused principles lay the groundwork for managing changing requirements and customer collaboration. Since all the requirements are not known at the beginning of the project, continuous customer involvement is crucial to delivering a final project that satisfies and delights the customer. The first principle states, our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. This allows the customer to give feedback regularly as the product evolves. The team's response to this feedback is encompassed in the second principle. Welcome changing requirements, even late in development. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. The third principle sums up how this is managed. Deliver working software frequently, from a couple of weeks to a couple of months, with a preference for the shorter time scale. The next 3 Agile principles deal with the organization of the team and how it functions. First, business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. This ensures the vision held by the business is understood by the developers creating the project. The next principle touches on the self-organizing and directed team. It states, build projects around motivated individuals, give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. And the sixth principle puts the emphasis on co-locating teams to ensure easy communication. It states, the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. The next 3 Agile principles define the development environment. The 7th principle zeroes in on why the project exists. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Progress in Agile is not gauged by a Gantt chart or schedule in some manager's office, but by working software and the features and functions it performs. Next, Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. This means the team should be able to complete their work in a 40-hour week, with nights and weekends off. And this leads to alert workers that can adhere to the 9th principle. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. Best practices like unit test, quality assurance, and completed customer documents ensures the working software is free of bugs and ready for delivery, greatly reducing technical debt. The last 3 Agile principles round out what it means to be Agile. First, simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. The working software in each iteration should contain the highest priority features, the ones which will be used the most, uncluttered by the often unused bells and whistles. This leads to an elegant, simple software design, which is easy to maintain and enhance. Principle 11 states, the best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. These teams are cross-functional and self-directed and depend on each other to accomplish the work the team has accepted. And lastly, at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. This allows for continuous self-improvement in the team's performance.